Unlock real-time data synchronization between Zapier and your Airtable base with the power of webhooks. Let's dive into creating a Zapier webhook integration with Airtable, starting by building a brand new Zap. Click on the Create Zap button to begin. For our trigger, we'll select Webhooks by Zapier. This is how external applications, like Airtable, will send data to Zapier. From the available trigger events, choose Catch Hook. This tells Zapier to listen for incoming data from our Airtable. Zapier will then generate a unique webhook URL. Copy this URL. This is what we'll use to communicate with Airtable. Now, let's switch over to Airtable. Navigate to your base and click on the Automations tab. We're going to build a custom automation. Click on Create Custom Automation to start setting it up. For our trigger event in Airtable, we'll select When Record is Updated. This means our Zap will fire whenever a record in our chosen table changes. Configure this trigger by selecting the specific table you want to monitor and choose which fields should trigger the automation. For example, if you want to update a project status, select the status field. Now, for the action, we need to send this updated information to Zapier. Select the Send a Webhook action. In the Webhook URL field, paste the unique URL you copied from Zapier earlier. This establishes the connection. Next, you'll map the data from your Airtable record to send. You can choose specific fields, like the record ID, updated values, or any other relevant information, and structure them as key-value pairs. This is how Zapier will receive the data. It's crucial to test this step. To ensure the data is being sent correctly, run a test of the Send Webhook action. Back in Zapier, after running the Airtable test, you should see sampled data from your Airtable record appear. This confirms Zapier's webhook is successfully catching the data. Now, we add our action to Zapier updating Airtable. Select Airtable as the app and choose the Update Record action event. You'll need to link your Airtable account and select the correct base and table. Crucially, use the record ID that was sent from your webhook to tell Zapier which specific Airtable record to update. Finally, map the data received from your webhook trigger to the corresponding fields in your Airtable record. This is where you'll define what gets updated in Airtable. Review your Zap, give it a descriptive name, and turn it on. Now, any changes you make to your specified fields in Airtable will instantly trigger your Zapier webhook, updating your Airtable records automatically. This powerful, real-time synchronization is perfect for project management, CRM updates, and countless other custom workflows. Happy automating.